Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Today's video is really interesting and informative. We are going to see attendance system using Python in Excel sheet. So let us in detail. First part, importing required libraries needed for the program. Next part, student name is equal to Sanjay. Then method mark present. I will be passing student name to the method. List dir output. Then attendance is the folder in which we are going to create Excel sheet with subject as a name of that Excel sheet. That is web program which I teaches. Then creating spreadsheet with title, that title subject. So Excel sheet will be created with that name. Then this part attendance. Then whatever you need to write in the Excel sheet, that is date and time will be noted. Also country code will be noted when student mark as present, and student name will be there. Here student name is Sanjay, that will be present in the Excel sheet. And if student is present, mark as 1. If absent, also mark as 1. And 0 and I count, in the sense loop will be executed, and Excel sheet will be present in the attendance folder. Now at the last we will execute the program. Now I will show you the attendance folder. Right now it is empty. Right now this attendance folder is empty. Now I will execute the program. Yes, creating spreadsheet with title web program. Now we will see the attendance folder. Yes, Excel sheet has been created. So this is all about the Excel sheet. I will zoom with you. Here date is there, then time is there, and this is country code, and this is name of the student. So I have successfully done with attendance system using Excel, using Python in Excel sheet. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more creative videos on machine learning, more creative videos on AngularJS, more creative videos on C, C++, etc. Thanks for watching the video.